So I'll make this video to explain this assignment so that you get the most out of it. I'd like you to first begin with the video. It's John Wooden, and we're going to read his essay for this activity. I think it's helpful if you get a sense of the man whose words you'll be reading. That will be something that your brain will enjoy. Your brain will feel like this is a real person who really wrote this, and what I'm working on is therefore real. It's not just like created by a textbook. All right, so get a sense of who the great John Wooden is, and because we're going to read his essay, which is here, and then you're going to look at the mechanics of writing when it comes to writing about sources, documenting sources, writing about, writing where we're giving credit to someone or something else, right? There are some standard operating procedures when we are writing to give credit to someone or something else. Let's look at these questions. Question 1. Is the sentence that follows correct or incorrect? Here's our sentence. The class read the essay, Dad's Definition of Success by John Wooden. Well, that's the title. I'm guessing, that's the title, I'm guessing, because it's capitalized. But you saw that I even struggled with that because I was wanting to just say Dad's Definition as the title. But then I noticed that this S was capitalized, and that kind of indicates to me that this is the entire title, but we could do something else to that entire title to make it easier on our reader, to let the reader know that, that these words all belong together as a packet, as one kind of long phrase for the title. And there's something we could do there, and I'll leave that out. That's your question to answer. 2, is the sentence that follows correct or incorrect? John Wooden writes, although I probably didn't understand it at the time, one of the things he tried to get across to me was that I should never try to be better than someone else. Is that sentence correct or incorrect? Well, let's see here. John Wooden writes, okay, using a comma to set up the quote. Okay, these appear to be verbatim John Wooden's exact words. Hence, hence why the verb writes is appropriate here and not talks about or mentions. No, he literally wrote this, so we get the comma and the quote, the first letter in that quote, because it's a complete sentence, it's capitalized. That's good. Anything else here? And then we close our quotes, and we have a period inside the quotes. All right. I'll let you determine if everything is there. Is the sentence that follows correct or incorrect? The concept that success is mine when I work my hardest to become my best, John Wooden writes, and that I alone determine whether I do so became central to my life and affected me in a most profound manner. Is this correct? I do see the quote marks, the opening quote marks here and the opening quote marks there, because I see John Wooden writes is the verb that's used. But why is John Wooden in quotes here? Anyways, what you can do is you can see the essay for yourself. You want to read this for yourself. Let me move this over. You would want to read this to yourself so that you can obviously know what you're reading about. Again, that will make it so much easier. And not even like so much easier, it will make it so much more effective as a learning tool. Okay. Meaning you will remember this stuff. All right. I think you're good to go.